Hello, my name is Anupama and my husband Jagrut, and we attended Bhavas session with Rohan. We did not know until we attended what Bhavas was, and Bhavas, I always thought it was feelings kind of, and after attending Bhavas session, we realized the deeper meaning of Bhavas, and that was attitude, and we learned a lot in Bhava's session.
Bhavas gave me a deeper understanding of yogic philosophy and why we do different practices like asanas, pranayams, and kriyas.
So there are four bhavas that we learned about. First one is dharma, then gyan, then vairagya, and aishwarya. Dharma means duty. We always do our duty, which we know it, but did not know actually exactly what duty meant, like taking care of yourself first and then take care of others. And gnan we always knew as a knowledge, yes, but not just knowledge, but awareness and concentration. And that was a little bit deeper understanding of gnan.
And Vairagya provided me a good concept of let go versus give up. And I think those are it has a very deep understanding of let go versus giving up. And it definitely helped me to bring peace and try to go towards detachment from desires and so on, right? So, bottom line, Bhavas provided me a deeper understanding of yogic philosophy, and it give me a purpose of life and making yoga as a journey of my life. And I'm hoping to continue that, until the last breath.
Thank you.